If you are thinking of buying a home this spring 2023 or any time afterwards, this is the one thing you must do before you even think of looking at homes. If you're not pre-approved, some agents may tell you, "Get the hell out of my car." No, actually they won't say that, but they'll think about it. So what is that one thing that you have to do before you even start off thinking of buying a house or looking at homes? It is to get pre-approved. Hi, I'm Mike Patel with First Team Real Estate, Anaheim Hills, California. Thanks for watching. So what is so important about getting pre-approved? Well, let's talk about that. It is one of the most important things you can do to start the buying process and to get your dream home. By the way, if you're thinking about buying a house or even considering buying a house, congratulations. That's a great thing to do. To understand what a pre-approval is, it's important to understand what it is and why it's needed. A pre-approval is basically a green light from the lender that they've checked your tax records or income and your debt, and they are ready to give you a loan, a maximum amount of loan based on your income, based on your debts. So they will tell you, hey, you can have a mortgage payment of $2,000 a month or $3,000 a month or $5,000 a month, and they will give you a limit of how much of a house you can buy, whether it's $450,000 or $800,000 or $2 million based on your down payment. So based on your income, your debts, which could include your car payments, your student loans, child support, credit card bills, any other payments, not the amount of loan amounts that you owe to the car or to the credit cards or for appliances, but the monthly payments. That's what's important. So they look at your total debt that you owe in car payments, student loans, or whatever. They look at your total income and your credit score, and based on that, they will give you a number of how much you can afford to pay and how much of a house you can buy. As you know, this is a challenging market. Prices are high, interest rates are high. So if you were approved 2 years ago or a year ago, and for some reason you did not buy, and now you want to buy, those numbers have changed. So you need to get pre-approved again. So in this challenging market, you want to be well qualified, well prepared. So if you find a house and if you go see a house, hopefully after pre-approval, then you are ready to make an offer and get the house that you want. Here is a quote from Freddie Mac. "A pre-approval is an indication from your lender that they are willing to lend you a certain amount of money to buy your future home. Keep in mind that the loan amount in the pre-approval letter is the lender's maximum offer. Ultimately, you should only borrow an amount you are comfortable repaying." Few years ago, with the COVID that was in play, the whole system of showing homes got changed, not only because of COVID, but because of the multiple bidding and the crazy market that was. So if I was to show you a home, if I call a seller and say, I've got a buyer who wants to see a home, the seller's agent would call me and say, okay, you can see the home. This was in COVID conditions and high market bidding conditions. They would say, okay, send me the pre-approval letter or an approval letter, send me the proof of funds. Only then we can show the homes, because number one, they did not want people coming in and out unless they were qualified to buy a house. If I was qualified up to $800,000 and I'm showing you a house for $900,000 or $1 million, what's the point showing it? One, you're wasting my time as a buyer's agent, and number two, you're wasting the seller's agent time and the seller's time. So now it has become a norm to see homes, and even now, as of April 2023, multiple bidding has started. There are 20, 30 people seeing the homes within the first week. So if I was a seller's agent, I would ask your agent, if you were a buyer and if you had a buyer's agent, to send me a pre-approval letter and the proof of down payment, so you can see how important it is to get pre-approved. Here's another quote. This quote is from the Wall Street, and they say that if you plan to use a mortgage for your home purchase, pre-approval should be among the first steps in your search process. Not only can getting pre-approved help you zero in on the right price range, but it can give you a leg up on other buyers too. So if you're a serious buyer, or if you're thinking of buying a house, here's how the pre-approval process or getting pre-approved and approved really helps you. One, you know exactly what your payments are going to be and can you afford them, and hopefully your lender will tell you exactly how much you can afford based on your income and all your debts, car payments, loan payments, students, child support, medical bills, any other bills. So you know exactly how much your payments are. The second thing they'll tell you is that they'll give you a limit on how much you can buy, whether it's $450,000, $200,000 purchase price, or $1 million purchase price, based on if you're putting 5% down, 10% down, 20% down, or even if you're getting a VA loan or a government loan with only 3.5% down. So that's the two advantages. The other advantage is that if for some reason you make an offer and there are multiple offers, and you prove to the seller and the seller's agent that you're already pre-approved, they may call your lender and verify that. You have your letter showing that you are approved for certain amount, and here along with it, you send them a statement of the down payment, that money you have, whether it's $20,000, $100,000 or $10,000, you're sending them a statement with the offer along with their pre-approval letter. Then you look very strong and you have a better chance of getting that house. So good luck on buying your purchase. Hope you get approved. By the way, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And please watch this video. It shows you that if you buy a house, how you can pay off your mortgage not in 30 years, but possibly in 20 to 25 years. So watch this video, no more mortgage.